Here's a hard truth. Your social followers aren't really yours. One algorithm change and your reach disappears overnight. But an email list? That's yours. A direct line nobody can take away. The good news, starting a list has never been easier. A free tool, a simple sign-up form, and AI to write everything. You can have this running this week. Step 1. Give people a reason to hand over their email. A discount, a quick guide, a checklist. Ask Claude, brainstorm a simple freebie for my car rental business. Now you've got a hook. Step 2. Pick a free email service and grab its sign-up form. Drop it right onto that one-page website we built in Episode 13. That's your list, collecting itself. Step 3. The welcome email. Write a warm welcome email for a new subscriber. Claude nails your first impression. Friendly, on-brand, and ready to send. Not sure what to send? That's Claude's job now. Feed it your tips, your news, an offer. It turns each one into a clean email. You never stare at a blank page again. Your subject line decides whether anyone reads it. Ask for 10 options, pick the one you'd open. This single line is where AI earns its keep. Don't overthink it. One short useful email a week beats a giant one you send twice a year. Consistency is the whole game, and AI makes consistency easy. Already made a video or a post? Paste it in and say, turn this into an email. One piece of content becomes 5. Work once, show up everywhere. Keep it human. Tell Claude, match my voice, warm and casual. People open emails from a person they like, not from a faceless newsletter. Every email should point to one thing. Book now, watch the new episode. Reply, click. One clear ask. Confused readers do nothing. Guided readers act. Then grow it. Invite people from your website, your socials, at checkout, even when you thank a reviewer. Every happy moment is a chance to say, want tips in your inbox? Have Claude write a short welcome sequence. 3 emails that send automatically over a new subscriber's first week. You set it up once, it greets everyone for you, forever. As you grow, send the right message to the right people. A first-timer gets a different note than a loyal regular. Ask Claude to tailor each one. Small touch, big difference. One rule, never buy an email list. Only send to people who actually ask to hear from you. Permission is what keeps you out of the spam folder and in their good graces. Watch your opens and clicks. They quietly tell you what your people actually want. Ask Claude to read the pattern, then do more of what's working. Your list teaches you your business. The big mistake? Going silent. Collect a bunch of emails, then vanish for 6 months and they'll forget who you are. Show up gently and often. AI makes that effortless. The payoff? An audience that's truly yours. No algorithm standing between you and your people. Just a direct line to the ones who want what you offer. That's a business asset for life. So, 5 moves. Give a reason to join, set up a free tool and form, let AI write the emails, make one clear ask, and show up every week. Tomorrow, we plan your entire week in 10 minutes, with AI as your assistant. 3 minutes a day keeps the stress away. Pull up a stool, I'll see you then.